இது மட்டும் இப்போ கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இது கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் தானே? கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் இல்லை, நீங்கள் மொபைலில் கொஸ்டின் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுங்க சார். இதில் சும்மா அப்படி ஆன்சர்ஸ் அவங்கள படிக்க சொல்லிட்டு அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண சொல்ல முடியுமா? ஆன்சர்ஸ் இல்லை, அது கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவாருன்னா சரி. எனக்கு நீங்க தான் எனக்கு அனுப்பிட்டீங்க வாங்கிட்டீங்களா? பாத்துட்டீங்களா? எங்க ஏரியால? இங்க விஜயநகர் தான். எல்லாம் ரெண்ட் எல்லாம் டபுள் பெட்ரூமா? அட்வான்ஸ் எவ்வளவு கேட்டாங்க? ஓகே. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஆக்சுவலி அனுப்புவீங்களா இந்த சொல்யூஷன்ஸ்?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Yes, Kongwil. Good evening. How are you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. So for you, school started? No, right? Enjoying in the vacation or school?
Sir, yes, sir. I'm on the vacation right now. They postponed the dates, sir.
Yeah. Supposed to be started tomorrow, but they postponed it, right?
It's supposed to start today, sir, but then they postponed it to June 12th, sir.
Yeah. So 1 week, almost 5 days,
Yes, sir.
5 days extra.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah. Did you write the test?
I didn't write the biology exam, sir. I had fever.
Okay, okay. No second chance will be given to write the test?
I know, sir. I don't think so because I will be able to see the question paper, right, sir?
Okay, okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, actually, I thought today's class was at 5 o'clock, but thankfully, my friend
It is at
Kongo
5
told me
o'clock.
it was at 5.
It is at 5
Yeah,
o'clock.
but I thought it was on 5:30.
Okay, okay. Even I thought 5:30, but they said it's 5.
Yes, sir.
So, and next week and all, like what time you will be back from school?
We'll
Sir,
be back from school by 3:30.
school ends at 2, sir. School ends at 2.
Yes, but we all will be back at house and finish our lunch by 3:30, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
I'll be
okay.
there at like 3, sir. My
Yeah,
house
yeah,
is near.
So 5 or 5:30 is
actually,
okay for you?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
5:30 is okay, sir.
5 or 5:30?
5 is also okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
5 is also okay, sir.
Any 4 and after any time is okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Any time after 4 o'clock
Sir,
is okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. That's fine. That's fine.
anytime after 4:30, sir. 4:30 because I have
Okay,
to
fine,
work.
fine. Yeah, fine. Okay, so based on your availability, I can schedule for other classes also. That's why I asked your consent. Okay, fine, good. All of you joined. How many
No, sir.
else yet to join?
Sir, two others
Sankalp
have to
and
join, but
Pongudu.
I think, sir, but we don't have their contacts, sir. So,
Okay,
do
okay.
you have your phone at a Kongwil?
Yeah, I have it here. I'll call them, sir. I'll call them.
Okay. When I called half an hour ago, Nitish was not lifting there.
Okay. You don't
But
say
all of
lift.
them are aware that they have class today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but
They changed the
everyone thinks
timing,
it's
right?
at
Since it's
5:30.
5 o'clock, so I think
Mm-hmm.
everyone's confused. I'll call them.
Okay. Mm.
I'll call Nitish now.
Yeah.
Sir, are we going to discuss the answers?
Yeah, today.
Okay, sir. I'll just get my.
Yeah, today's class is actually planned for that only, like about the discussion of the answers and difficulty you faced in attending the test, about
Yes, sir. So actually,
the
I got confused yesterday because yesterday was supposed to be the class, but why did they
yeah,
postpone it to
yeah.
today, sir?
Yesterday was supposed to be the class, but neither faculty
I
who is
informed
supposed to
Nitish, sir,
take
is
the class.
joining. I'll call Tarun, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So due to the availability of the faculty, yesterday he was not available, so I'm supposed to engage the class. That's why not able to come for class 9. That's why they just shuffle the classes. Yesterday I went for 10 and now for 9.
Yes, sir. Tarun will join now and Nitish will also do the same.
Yeah. Will we wait or shall we start?
We can start, sir. I think after Nitish joins, we can start. He'll join now, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good. So maybe we'll wait for another 1 more minute.
Good evening, Nitish.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I forgot it was 5 o'clock, so I thought it was 5:30.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So now I think all of you are here. Tarun, Nitish,
Yes,
Sangal,
sir.
Pongu. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else yet to come? No, right?
No, sir.
Here. No, sir.
Only
That's it.
Yeah, fine.
Sir, are we going to discuss the best answer?
Yeah, so today we are going to discuss with like the test you had, right? The question paper and the correct answers. So that's what we are going to discuss today. And before getting into the discussion part of each and every question, you just generally tell me, and how was your preparation? How was the classes? And how about the question paper? Whether you can connect your preparation with the kind of question asked. Hmm?
Everything was correct. Everything was good on it, sir.
Okay, question paper, easy level. You all can able to understand the questions.
So I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, did we learn about membrane biogenesis, sir?
Actually, we did not learn about. I didn't say anything about membrane biogenesis, but logically you'd have answered. You know what is membrane, right?
Yes.
And what is synthesis of a membrane? All these things. Okay. Actually, in the book, maybe in tidbit information, that box questions, I think it was there. Okay. That's what. So for this only, it's something which we would have missed in the class, but maybe in exam point of view, they would have we studied about membrane, but in exam point of view, they may ask such kind of questions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right? So maybe sometimes we would have not discussed, but they would have related area, relevant questions also they can ask. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, for that only such kind of questions. Okay, fine, good. So note it down. We will discuss about that too. Fine. Now, shall we start from the first question? Anything else? Anything
Yes.
else about the question paper?
No, sir.
Anything which you wanted to specifically ask?
No, sir.
Okay, then fine. We'll start. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
fine. So the first question, I think everybody would have answered.
Yes.
Kernel
It's
without a cell
ribosome.
membrane. It
Ribosome.
is ribosome. Okay. And then what is the different type of cells on basis of nuclear membrane found inside?
Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell.
Very good. So it is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Very good. What are the different type of endoplasmic reticulum and their functions?
Smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Yeah.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. I don't know the functions. I only wrote the
Yeah.
types.
Still listen. Yeah. See, lipid biosynthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not actually have ribosomes on it, but inside the lumen, actually, inside the membrane, the lumen, the central part, they involve in lipid biosynthesis. Okay. Smooth
This is
endoplasmic
rough, sir?
reticulum for what?
Or-
Lipid biosynthesis. Rough
Oh, this was
endoplasmic
smooth.
reticulum. Yeah, protein synthesis. It has ribosomes and it involve in what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Protein synthesis.
Okay, fine, good. Now, and second question. Any doubt in first question? Okay, correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Second question. Which one of the following organelle in the figure correctly matches with its function? For example, here, what is A?
A is the nucleus. It looks like nucleus.
Okay, nucleus. Specifically, you can say the nucleoplasm, right?
Okay.
Okay, but the function is not given. Even the organelle is not proper. And then B?
B is like this, the nucleus membrane.
The outer membrane of the nucleus. Okay, very good. So, anyway, the function is given? No. Okay, what is C?
C is maybe the chromatin fibers.
No, C.
Are you there?
Actually, the endoplasmic
Hello, sir.
reticulum. It is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And here you can see smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is what rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, C is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Their ribosomes are there.
D
Can
and
you
D
see
are
the
correct,
difference?
sir.
Yeah. So here it is actually C involved in what? Protein synthesis. Okay? Rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in what? Protein synthesis.
Protein.
Here it is there, right? Endoplite of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and
Yes, sir.
smooth. And here what is synthesized? Lipid is synthesized. Here protein is synthesized.
Yes, sir.
So what is
So-
the correct option?
So both A and D, sir.
It is protein synthesis. C, protein synthesis.
But
Okay.
it also, the D also is a lipid synthesis, right, sir? But it's also correct.
B. No. D is actually,
D.
see, look at that. D, which one?
D, sir. D, formation of glycolipids. That's what smooth endoplasmic reticulum does, right, sir?
Yeah. So no D actually. Okay. If the D is marked here, then you are right. But D is marked there.
It's not that.
Can you understand? D is there with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. If D is marked here, then you are right. Okay.
So where is the D mark? Rough.
Actually, it is marked here. Can you see?
Second, sir. I think
The
I have the-
ribosomes only. Again, C and D marked the same.
Oh, okay. So either one of them are correct. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Protein synthesis. Okay. Fine. And the next question. What is cell sap?
It is the what is this? 1 second, sir. I know this. It is the liquid inside the vacuoles of cells.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes.
That's
Cell
it.
sap. Inside the cell, especially in plant cell, you have lot of water. Vacuoles inside that, and there you have cell sap. Okay. Cell sap with water and all other molecules. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is nuclei?
It is the place where all the genetic materials are found.
Very good. So, in a microorganism
Sir,
or
can
in
you
a
hear me, sir? Can
bacterial,
you hear me, sir?
yeah, in a
So
bacteria,
I
whatever.
just know I was speaking muted all this time, sir.
What?
I was speaking muted all this time, sir.
What do you do every day?
What?
I was speaking
Can you hear
muted
me?
all this time, sir.
No, I can't understand. What are you telling?
Sir, he was
Nothing, sir,
speaking
you
all
can
this
continue.
time, but he was muted. Sir.
Oh, am I audible now?
No, sir. We
Yes,
can
sir.
hear you,
He
sir.
was.
Okay,
was
I
okay.
muted,
was
sir.
muted all this time, sir.
Oh,
I
okay.
was
Okay,
actually
okay,
speaking,
okay.
but I didn't see that I was muted.
Fine.
We
Okay,
told you to
fine.
unmute.
Good.
Sir, but
Yeah.
I saw in the internet that cell sap is actually a semi-liquid, sir.
Yeah. That's what. Why it is semi-liquid? Because water is mixed with many molecules. Cell solution,
Yes,
for
sir.
example, it is present inside the vacuole. Water and molecules.
And the cytoplasm, so it's mixed with
Sir, so can I write cell sap is a semi-liquid that is present inside the vacuoles of plants cell?
Yeah, most welcome.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but
Since
if I wrote
plant cells
what you said,
only.
sir,
Hmm?
but sir, I wrote what you said, sir, but they said it's wrong, sir.
No, that's correct only. Okay. You can again check with them. So sir said this is the correct answer. Okay. Even
Sir, I
in the
actually found a
solution.
lot of mistakes. I actually found a
So
lot
I
of
got it
mistakes
correct.
in the correction.
Okay. So you please note down. It may happen, Ilya. So please you note down and just approach them correctly, and they will definitely consider. Okay. Even just let
Yes,
me
sir.
know also. I can also and put a word to them. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, what is a nucleoid?
Say,
A
it's
bacterial cell. Yeah, the single chromosome is present. So this region is called, this is chromosomal
There
DNA.
is no nucleoid in a.
This region is called what?
Sir, it
Nuclei.
is.
Sir, but there
That
is no
region is
sir.
called nuclei. See, listen to me. In a prokaryotic cell, the region, the place where chromosomal DNA is present, that is called nuclei. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Say in a
So,
DNA it
good.
is called that no in a prokaryotic cell that area is called bacterial chromosomes, right? That's what I
You
wrote
can
in
say
the
bacterial chromosome, bacterial DNA, chromosomal DNA, anything you can say. Bacterial chromosome, because it is single chromosome only present. So bacterial chromosome, anything you can say. Bacterial chromosome,
Yes, sir.
and then you can say chromosomal DNA. Can you understand? Bacterial chromosome, chromosomal DNA, right? Anything you can
Yes,
say.
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, very easy question. Colored plastids of
Sir,
Chromoplast.
chromoplast.
Oh, chromoplast.
chromoplast. Okay, very good. Leucoplast are
Leucoplasts are a colorless pigment.
Sir, colorless.
colorless.
They store starch.
Ah,
Oh.
Sorry,
okay, fine.
colorless plastids.
Chromo means color. Very good. Colored plast. In chromoplast, you have different types. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
yellow,
we
orange.
Also, no. Yellow, orange, or what?
Green.
Not like
What
the
is
names,
green?
So I remember, sir, it was I don't know, carotene, anthophila.
Especially the main thing you should remember is green plastids. The green one. Do you remember the green one?
That's chloroplast, sir. I mean,
Sir,
Yeah.
chloroplast.
Yeah. Okay,
I thought it was a
chloroplast.
separate. Okay.
Fine. Good. Anyway, so name the two structures. The next question means name the two structures found in plant cells but not
Cell
in
wall
animal
and
cells.
chloroplast.
Sir, cell wall
Very
and
good.
sir, this also they put wrong, sir. I wrote cell wall and plastids, sir. Plastids are also not found in animal cell, right,
Hey,
sir? But they
plastids
said
are
it
Yeah,
there.
yeah. See, you can.
See,
You are right actually. You can write cell wall. Yes, cell wall is a very correct answer. Cell
Sir, I
wall.
wrote plastids also, sir.
Yeah, plastids correct one.
Chloroplast.
Sir, but they put this entire. They said this. They put this entire thing as wrong, sir.
Vacuole. Large vacuole.
That's
Sir,
both, sir.
vacuole is
Large
there in animal
vacuole.
cells, sir.
See, you should say large vacuole. Just
Sir,
not.
I put vacuole, sir. They put wrong, sir.
Okay, okay. So
How
you
did they
note
give
down this
even
question.
wrong for me?
Okay, you note down that question. See, if you have given like chloroplast, cell wall, large vacuole, all the options are correct only. Okay, you just remind them
Yes, sir.
that you are given a correct answer for this question. Any of these
Sir,
three
can I
options.
just mark it in the? Can I just mark?
Yeah,
it
you
in
just
the
mark
answer
it. That's what you can mark this question, and then you can ask to the center people. Okay, definitely they will change.
Yes,
They will
sir,
consider.
like,
I too will put the word to them. Okay.
Sir, you can.
Yeah,
Sir,
I
can
too
I
will
just
put the word to them.
mark it in the answer sheet? Can I mark it in the answer sheet?
Yeah. You just mark it as like a star or give any one simple symbol.
I put
Remember.
correct answer and
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You just mark
Yes, sir.
however you wish. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I marked it.
Yeah. Fine.
The next question.
Sir, I didn't write the next one, sir.
See, listen.
I
Membrane
saw
biogenesis. Yeah.
So
Membrane
it's
bio.
written at
Yeah.
the end of the book, sir.
Huh?
This question's answer is in the end of the book, sir. Like not in the book, means in the chapter.
Yeah. See, listen. Because they didn't use this term, but we discussed one thing. For example,
Thylakoids.
listen. From the outer membrane of the nucleus, what is synthesized? Endoplasmic reticulum synthesized. From the endoplasmic reticulum membrane, what is synthesized? Golgi apparatus synthesized.
Oh.
Even smooth from rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesized. From endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus synthesized. Okay, so this we discussed basically. Okay, do you remember that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this we should get connected to that. Okay, how the other membrane organelles and other substances are produced from this membrane structure. For example, even you can say membranous network only. What are the endomembrane system? Something called endomembrane system. What is called endomembrane system?
It is.
One new term you just note down.
It's in the endoplasmic reticulum.
Endomembrane system. See, the organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vacuole, lysosome. What are all the organisms? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies.
Oh,
Okay.
these are the part of endomembrane
Vacuole,
system.
and lysosomes. These are all the part of endomembrane system. Okay. So
Yes.
they synthesize molecules. Okay, this membrane system synthesize other molecules and other organelles from endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. From Golgi apparatus, vacuole and lysosome. So in series, the organelles are synthesized, and what are synthesized inside this organelles membranous system. In endoplasmic reticulum, what is synthesized?
Golgi apparatus.
No, from the molecule. Protein synthesized. And in in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids, cholesterol are synthesized. Lipids, cholesterol molecule are synthesized, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lipids are synthesized. Cholesterol comes under lipid, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why how these organelles are synthesized and how the molecules are synthesized inside that. That in short called what? Membrane biogenesis. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Good. Now, shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Plastids differ from mitochondria. The basis of one of the following feature.
Sir, the
Sir,
presence of
thylakoids.
DNA, sir.
No, thylakoids.
No, mitochondria will also DNA. DNA is present in both of the thing.
Mitochondrial DNA is present, Ra.
Yes, sir. Plastic.
DNA is present.
Both are double membrane system.
Yes, sir. That's what I
And
told
then
Nitish.
ribosomes are present.
Sir, but
This
the
is the
correct
correct.
answer was thylakoids. That's what they
Yes,
gave
this
the
is the
answer.
correct answer. I'm telling all these things are common for both. Common for both.
I thought
Both plastids and mitochondria. Only the thylakoid makes the difference. Because what is thylakoid?
Sir, it
What is
like,
thylakoid? In the chloroplast, you see the coin-like structure. See, for example, listen. This is the chloroplast. You can see a coin-like structure, right? They are called what?
Yes, sir.
Thylakoids. Okay, which forms granum. Do you remember? Coin-like structure.
Yes.
Yeah, arranged one
Yes, sir.
after other, which forms
So the
granum.
thylakoids is not present in any other
Yes, actually,
organelles.
it is the part of component of chloroplast. Okay, thylakoid is the part of what? Chloroplast.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Nitish, turn
Now,
on the video there.
how do you define
Why you didn't
protoplasm?
turn on a video yesterday?
Say, how do you define protoplasm?
So it is the jelly-like substance of that covers.
You
most
can't
of the
say
cells.
jelly,
So
da.
what, sir?
Gel-like substance you can say.
So
Gel,
what is protoplasma?
You can't say jelly-like.
Hey, cytoplasm, da. Protoplasm and cytoplasm are the same thing.
No, you can't say jelly as
That's
a
how we learned it.
definable word.
in
Sir,
our grades.
chromoplast is a
It's not-
semi-liquid present in the
definition.
cell wall. The cell, it is usually colorless when seen under a microscope. Many reactions happen in the chromoplast.
These are all like.
Sorry,
so much you don't
sorry,
need to write
cytoplasm,
these.
cytoplasm. Sorry, cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm and cytoplasm are the same thing.
How
da.
many sorts?
See, protoplasm. And finally, tell me what is your definition?
For what?
Inside the
Oh.
cell, this is the cell. Cytoplasm is, see, listen, the
Where
difference between
all the-
cytoplasm and protoplasm is cytoplasm is the matrix. Okay,
Yes.
just the jelly matrix is cytoplasm. Protoplasm includes all the molecular aggregates. Can you see? Just the matrix is cytoplasm with all molecular aggregates is what? Protoplasm. And means if molecular aggregate are there, then their active metabolism occurs. Okay.
Sir, so
Yes, sir.
sir, so what I just said now is a definition for protoplasm also.
Yeah, fine. Okay,
said
what
it
definition?
already.
See, listen. What definition you gave?
Sir,
You
but
tell me your definition.
sir, I gave
Yeah, you said it was
protoplasm
the
as a
cell.
semi-liquid present in the cell, all present all around the cell. It is usually colorless when seen under a microscope. Many chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. In the protoplasm.
See, listen. It is not around the cell, inside the cell.
I have a different different
Ah.
definitions. I said I put jelly, but I'm saying different. It's a semi-liquid substance that covers most of
Semi-
the cell and
Okay.
Semi-liquid.
what? And that's where most of the organelles are present.
Okay, fine. See, listen. So everybody have given your own answers. That's why they are confused. Okay, fine. Anyway, but logically, you people are correct. But little. For example, around means they just think like this. Okay.
Sir, I didn't write around. I said it is present all over the cell.
Over. Okay. Fine. Over means correct only. Inside the cell. Okay. But that's fine. Anyway, we will check that also. Okay. That answers.
Yes, they put that
I just
also.
asked them to give at least half a mark for that question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did I get marks
Fine.
for that question?
Yeah, fine. Let me check the possibilities.
So I
But
think I got
anyway,
marks for that.
now you're sure with the definition. At least now marks secondary. But are you sure with the definition?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Next,
So I got marks.
chromoplast. How do you define chromoplast?
So it's
chromoplast is a
it's the
type of
colored
plastic.
plastic which give colors to plants, flowers, leaves, etc.
Okay, which gives colors.
It was
Fine.
what I wanted.
The colored plastids. At least if you give, even with a little example, green chloroplast, that's fine. Anyway, colored plastids. That's correct. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Who discovered cell and how?
Sir, the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke.
So I didn't
Robert
write
Hooke.
how
He was
it's-
looking.
Robert
he
Van
was
Leeuwenhoek.
looking-
Hmm.
Yeah, but you
What
can
did I
just
write
write
on
Robert Hooke.
Okay,
He was-
Robert
he
Hooke,
was
correct.
looking
How
under-
he discovered?
Yes, sir. Sir, he
How
was
he-
looking under his. He was looking under his simple microscope, and he found box-like structures which looked like, which reminded him of the rooms of the monks in a monastery. And he named those boxes as cell.
Very good.
The cells that Robert Hooke saw were dead cells. That's why he didn't find anything in it.
Okay, fine. So all of you are given full mark for that question. I think all of you would have given answer for that question, right?
Yes, sir. I
don't know, sir. I think
Sir, I didn't write that.
I'll see it later.
But
Sir,
anyway,
I wrote
so this
Robert Hooke and he found
Hey, Nitish,
Okay.
I'll ask you
using
one
two
question.
lenses
What
for
is the
achieving
what is the spelling of Robert Hooke? What is the spelling of Robert Hooke?
ROBERT
Easy da, even I know.
How dare you? Da?
You no like no.
Even
I
study
thought
for
you
exam, I
missed
know it,
the
ra.
he- No, like
Hey,
I thought you
fine,
missed the
fine.
HOOKE.
HOOKE.
That's a hook. It's a hook.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. We
fine.
usually call him Robert Hooke, so we think that his spelling is
No,
Sir, but
ROBERT.
no,
Sankal made
sir,
that
we,
mistake
it's
in
you.
school, sir.
We think like that.
Sankal made that same mistake in school and wants to do the same thing.
Okay,
Uncle
okay,
is
fine,
level
fine,
mistake.
fine.
We don't make
Okay,
that.
Pa, come. See, next question. A plant cell, just a minute.
This question
A plant cell can be identified from an animal cell by
Sir,
none of these.
Kongwell, you still didn't finish the exam. That means you're knowing all the answers and you can.
Oh yeah, da, you now only discovered da. I already saw the question
Hey, you
paper.
make
Da.
new paper, da. They won't give the same paper and all.
Listen,
No,
this is
I'm not
very
writing the
important.
exam. I'm absent.
Hey, listen. Hey, boys, listen. A plant cell can be identified from an animal cell by
None of these. None of these, sir.
none of
Sir,
these.
because a plant cell and an animal cell have vacuoles, big or small, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Plant cell and animal cell has cell membrane, just doesn't have.
So we
plant cell
can
has cell wall,
differentiate
that's it.
through the size of vacuoles though.
But
Both have centrosomes, sir. There's no absence of centrosome, so it's none of these.
all of you given none of this?
Yes, sir. So a plant cell can be
No,
identified.
sir, I didn't give.
Sir, yes, sir.
After
Sir,
we all answer, Sankalp is reading the question.
Actually, see, you note down this question. This is supposed to be the correct answer.
yes,
Absence
sir.
of
I wrote absence
centrosome.
of centrosome. I wrote
Yeah,
absence
but
of centrosome.
yeah. But again, this you have to check
They
it.
gave wrong.
I'll put
They
a word
gave
actually.
wrong.
Maybe they would have not given the marks, but let me check that. Let me put a word to them. And
Yes,
so
sir,
because
they didn't give me marks for this. They didn't give
yeah. So this also note down, please. Okay, fine. Because
None of these.
cell membrane is common for all of the organisms. Again, small or big vacuoles makes. But this is none of this also you cannot say. But what you can say, only this one, absence of centrosome.
It's an absence of centrosome, sir.
Yeah. That I'll put a word to them. If you would have given the mark, you make it.
In absence of
They did
centrosome.
13 marks correction mistake for me, sir. I only read 2 exams.
Sir,
Okay.
animal cell have plant cells, sir, which doesn't have centrosome, sir. I mean,
Yeah.
plant cell different.
Absence
cell
of
has
centromere,
centrosomes,
basically.
sir.
Centrosome. Centrioles not present. Centrioles are part of centrosome and centriole. Okay. Just
Yes,
keep
sir.
this in mind. Let me put a word to them also. Okay, fine. Next question. Time is running. Just next question. Which cell organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Why?
Sir, it is.
It's the mitochondria.
Okay.
Sir,
Mitochondria.
it is
Very
called the
good.
powerhouse of. It is called the powerhouse of cell
Because
it does metabolic activities like
They said so.
respiration of the cell.
yeah, very good. Cellular respiration.
of
See,
I don't think you have to
and
write all of that, Ra.
See, listen.
Oh,
See,
that's
listen.
why. Okay, now.
Two keywords. See, listen. However, one. Hey, listen to me. Mitochondria and cellular respiration. Two are the keywords. These two are the keywords. Mitochondria means about mitochondria you have to write, and then cellular respiration.
the cellular respiration.
So I wrote
Even though I wrote all this, it took me only 45 minutes to finish the exam.
Okay. That's
So
fine.
they
That's
asked why. That's why you
So
wrote.
I wrote the mitochondria is called
Hey,
the
finish the
power of
exam
the
in
cell
0
because
seconds. Okay.
Anyway,
they
still
release
listen.
energy in the
Still
form of
listen.
ATP.
Just one chapter you have written the test. That's why time is like
How did you get
more.
80
That's why
marks
you
just
can
for
able
one
to finish
paper?
it on time. But if you are preparing the exam for full portion, maybe 3 hours required. Next time we
Sir,
will
I
make the
wrote-
questions little more.
Sir,
Don't worry. Next time we will make it. We'll make a note of that. Listen first. Next question. Why are the cells called the structural and functional unit of life?
Sir,
Sir, because
structural because
I
there
know
is
a
no
very
smaller,
good
well-defined
chapter.
structured unit of life
Oh,
than
that's
cell.
what I
Functional
wrote.
because when functional because when all the
So I
organelles are
wrote
not
family
together,
tree,
they
sir.
cannot
Yeah.
survive.
See, listen.
They cannot survive. So what? So only when they are together and form a cell, they can live individually.
So you won't get any marks on board if you write this.
Fine. But anyway,
in board, I
logically,
don't think they'll ask this question
yeah.
because
So
ninth grade chapter.
such kind of questions only will need a good presentation, writing skill basically. Like in simple, you have to tell all the properties of life, and like at least you should mention cell can respirate, cell can. We saw some aspect, general functions of cell, right? In the day 1, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like cell can eat,
Respirate.
cell can respirate, cell can excrete wastes, cell can carry out reactions. That's why, like all other living organisms,
By
cell will do.
itself.
Yeah. Like that, you have to justify it.
Reproduce.
Okay, fine.
So,
Good.
That's called.
We'll go to the next question. Barrier between the protoplasm and outer environment
cell wall.
in a plant cell is?
Cell wall.
All of you written that? Good. It's correct only.
Wait.
Cell wall. Okay, fine. What is the main function of Golgi bodies?
Sir,
I
they
didn't write
break down. They secrete enzymes, hormones, etc. to
Secrete protein.
other parts.
Sir,
of the
they
cell,
eat
organelles
up all
of
the
cell.
excretion in the cell.
No.
Oh, that is lycoplast. That is leucoplast.
Lysosomes.
Sorry,
I
lysosomes.
forgot.
I get
I haven't
confused
even
with it.
studied
Sir,
it.
that's
Okay,
the separate
those are
hormones,
lysosomes.
Yeah.
enzymes to other organs.
Do you remember? If you would have given this, that's the correct answer.
So what I said?
Post-translational modification. Okay.
Right there.
Yeah, you just note down now, but that's the correct answer. What is it?
So
Golgi
one
bodies
second,
means
sir.
post-
One second, sir.
translational
What is
Nitish
what is
left.
modification.
Who got the highest mark on bio?
So listen, this is the correct answer. Post-translational modification, PTM. Okay, fine. Next question. What is PTM? Post-translational modification? Listen, I will tell you. Listen, keep a note of it. See, listen. Where proteins are synthesized?
Good
So
start.
in the
rough
endoplasmic
smooth
reticulum.
endoplasmic reticulum, sir.
Okay, protein, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, ribosomes and then rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Oh.
And then which is inactive. And this inactive molecule enter to the Golgi apparatus and gets added with functional groups. So now it becomes active. Inactive protein are converted into active protein in Golgi apparatus.
That's it.
That's why that process is called what? Post-translational modification. Okay.
Oh, so Golgi apparatus.
Sir.
See, Golgi body's main function where inactive materials come
Converted into
and they
active
become
molecule.
active,
Inactive protein to active protein.
which is a process known as post-translational modification.
Basically,
Yes,
fast.
correct.
I'll write this down.
Okay. Fine. Next question.
I mean,
Where is
Oh, okay, you can go to the next one.
where is nucleolus found?
The
Sir,
center of the
nucleolus is found inside the nucleus,
In the cell.
which is present in a cell.
Sir, I wrote in the cell.
Inside the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus.
Nucleus.
Sir, I wrote in
It
the center
involves in the
nucleus.
production of, say, listen,
There are many
Nucleus. Yes, sir.
RNA.
Sir, I
Okay.
have no idea how they put wrong for this, because
Yes, sir. Same.
they
Which
put
question,
wrong
sir?
for
Which question?
I got it,
Sir,
sir.
the previous one, sir. Sir, where
Golgi.
is nucleus is found in cell? I wrote it. It is found in inside the nucleus of the cell, and its function is to control the nucleus. And they wrote it's wrong. Then the entire thing is wrong. sir.
Because maybe in the function is not correct.
Yeah, the function is
Nucleolus.
not correct.
Sir,
Sir, but
listen.
they asked
That's why you
me
should not give extra information.
Sir, but I gave it correct,
Yeah,
sir.
that's what
They
you do.
still did it wrong.
Always. No, sir.
Okay, so nucleus also
I got
secretes some. See, listen. Some protein and RNA, especially some RNA and proteins, are produced in nucleolus. That's why. Okay,
I wrote it produces ribosome.
RNA and protein. Some RNA and protein are synthesized in nucleolus.
Sir, does
Okay,
it
fine, good.
produce ribosome, sir?
Next, shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, does it
What are
produce
called the
ribosome?
secretory organelle?
Sir, it is
Secretory
the
organelle.
what, sir?
peroxisome.
What is called the?
Sir, dictosome.
Secretory organelles of the cells
I
are.
didn't answer this question, sir. I didn't know.
Dictyosomes.
Okay, fine. Okay, good. The next
I
question.
think it's peroxisome.
Okay, fine.
It is.
Dictyosome basically. Next question is, what are
What is a
lysosomes?
Sir, they
Suicidal bag.
destroy damaged cells and are hence called suicidal bags.
Wrong.
Yeah.
They eat all
Hey,
the
it is correct. I
excretions
got the
and they
answer.
burst.
Bruh.
Hmm?
Sir, my answer is correct only, no, sir.
Which one?
They destroy damaged cells and are hence called suicidal bags.
Okay. Yeah. Damaged cell and molecule. They destruct molecules and even the organelles. That's
Not
correct
exactly
only.
correct.
That's what I wrote.
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't mention
I got
that.
the answer.
Hey, you didn't, sir, but he didn't mention that lysosomes destroy the cells only when they are damaged, sir.
That's what
Still
I
listen.
said. Destroy damaged
Still listen.
cells.
Molecules. See, they destroy molecules,
Not damaged.
then organelles,
That's what I caught you for a second.
Bruh.
and then organelles, and then the whole cell itself. Look at that. Molecule, organelle, cell.
I didn't write
That's
all
why they are
things.
called suicidal bag. Okay, slowly. All of a sudden, it will not eat the whole cell or the whole organelle, but gradually, first molecule, and then organelles, and then cell finally. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
lysosome. And then
Yes, sir.
next question. Organelle present only in plant cells which have their own genome and ribosome. Huh?
Mitochondria.
Hey,
Plastids,
only in
plastids.
plant cell. Look at that. Only
Hey,
in plant cell.
mitochondria
Right?
presents
Okay,
both
okay,
in
okay, wrong
animals
Wrong question.
and the plants.
Wrong question.
Plastids. You should talk about what?
Hey, plastids.
Wrong question, ra. Sorry, da.
Plastids.
This is
Okay.
7th one.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, I
Yes,
wrote
sir, okay,
plastids.
sir.
Fine. The next question.
Why did I answer this question? Okay.
Different cells have different sizes.
Let's see.
Arrange the following cells in ascending order in size.
See.
Small to big.
While actually writing this question, I forgot what
See?
was ascending order, sir.
Forgot to
The
drink water.
smallest one here is, we just order it here. The smallest one is, yes, this is the first one.
Smallest one.
Second,
Sir, it is D, sir.
second one
It
is
B, sir. It is D, sir.
bacteria.
See how is
Third one
ostrich
is
egg
human
the smallest?
RBC. Fourth one is
Sir, how is
ostrich egg.
mycoplasma the smallest one, sir?
It
Yeah,
is the
the mycoplasma. See, listen, 0.125 micrometer. Bacteria,
But bacteria
1
is
to
0.7
2
nanometer, right, sir?
micrometer. That's what 0.1
It's like Google. You're in your computer only.
and
No.
Sir, wait.
7 micrometer, and then this is in centimeter. As to check, or 7 to 10 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Bigger than
So
Pankaj's brain.
this is the order, correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir, I can one second.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
check
You want to
that.
say something?
No, sir. He muted, sir. Sir, this question, I don't know how I got it wrong, sir. The last one, not this one.
The answer is wrong.
Bruh.
Actually, option which is correct? 1.
Sir, it's a C. 1, 4, 3, 2.
This is the correct one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
Sir.
Yeah. What is the function of leucoplast and chloroplast?
Sir, leucoplasts are colorless plastids that store starch.
Sir,
Chloroplasts
I
are
feel
color
like I
pigments
don't
that
think
give color to
ostrich eggs
plast.
are the biggest, sir. I don't
Okay.
think
Means see,
ostrich eggs
listen.
are.
Storage.
Excuse me, sir.
Brain is
Uncle's brain is the
biggest
biggest.
cell, a single.
Leucoplast store starch.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Then what are chromoplasts?
They give color
Excuse me,
to
sir.
leaves, flowers,
Ah.
Sir,
etc.
am I audible?
Yeah. You're audible. Tell me. What do you want?
Sir, I don't think only ostrich egg is like the biggest cell, sir, because sir, I have a bird, sir, which just laid eggs like a week ago, and those eggs are like dead because it's that we got only one bird, which was a female, so it couldn't fertilize the egg.
Hmm.
So, like, it's a dead cell. I can show you, but I don't think it will be happy, sir.
What is the size of the egg?
I'll just show you.
Is uncle bringing dead eggs to class?
Sir, it's just
It's
like
definitely
the
not.
size of my thumb. sir.
Hey, what is it? It's like smaller than your thumb finger. It's definitely not the biggest cell.
It's like as large as my first half. of
Have you
my
ever
thumb
seen
finger.
an
It's
ostrich?
equal to like
Yeah. This is very small actually.
Hey,
Listen.
have you ever seen a hen egg? Hen doesn't lay.
Nearly a face size.
You're a
Sir,
vegetarian,
I'm actually
Tami.
gonna keep it back inside because
Hey, you are a
it's very
vegetarian, huh?
What the heck
Hmm?
is that?
Sir, I am a non-vegetarian, but my parents are vegetarians.
Okay. You know what? The size of yours is very small. Say ostrich egg. You know what is the size of it?
Nearly the size of your brain. Bigger, in fact.
See, that is, you have your 15 centimeter scale, right? In your bag. In school, you usually use scale, right? Scale. Off size scale.
Doesn't
sir.
use anything, sir, in school.
Sir, you said
Right,
that
15.
ostrich
15
egg
centimeter.
is 7
15
centimeters,
centimeter.
sir.
15 centimeter.
Literally a
Remember?
long-
I think Sankar compared this egg to mosquito egg. That's why it looks so big.
Hey, shut up,
Tangal,
sir.
listen, don't worry. That actually looks visible. Like, anyway, your wonder, science begins with wonder. Good, you wondered. It is the big cell only. But compared to that, the ostrich egg, basically, you can hold it on your whole palm. More than that, actually. More than the size of your palm, your hand, actually. Okay, it is 15 centimeter. Ostrich egg is 15 centimeter
Yes, sir.
and 1 kilogram. It is very weight also 1 kilogram. Okay. Fine, good.
Can
Anyway,
you share? Can you share the question paper? So I don't want to see Uncle's face.
can you see here?
What's yours?
Bruh.
Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, in which form do mitochondria release energy? What is its full form?
ATP. Adenosine
ATP.
Triphosphate.
Yeah. What is
I
its
said
full form?
bus.
Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, good. Adenosine triphosphate. Next question. The inner membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded. What is the name of it? What
So
is
the
what
folds are
advantage of
Increases
this?
the surface area.
accommodate
It
more
increases the
energy.
surface area.
Yeah, large surface. Very good. Yeah, crystal large surface area. Name is crystal, which makes in a large surface area for the reactions to occur, process to occur.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine, good.
I got the answer.
Fine. We'll rush.
Sir, they put that
Finish.
wrong, sir. They put that wrong. Sir.
Yeah.
For me, they put it
Okay,
correct.
fine. Yeah, right.
Hey,
So listen.
Nitish, be
Next
quiet.
question.
I'm gonna
Next
get 4
question.
marks.
Yeah. See, we are running out of time. See,
Hey,
listen.
you didn't get 4 marks.
Why do
and
plant
me.
cells possess large size nucleus?
What, sir? What? The
Section 2. Why do plant cells possess large size vacuoles?
So where is that question? Oh, okay.
Sir,
that
give me
one.
one.
Okay.
Give me one. Where is it, sir?
No, sir, I didn't answer that question, sir. I don't know.
Why vacuoles are big in plant cells?
Plant cells are known to have bigger vacuoles than animal cells as they need to store more food and water.
Where is this, sir?
Yeah.
Where
See,
is it,
listen.
sir? You're
Yes, sir.
searching
Yes,
in
sir.
Google.
Storage.
That's
See,
what
listen.
I wrote vacuoles in a plant cell are large because they need to store more starch and what is this?
Yeah.
Glucose, sir.
See,
That's what I
since it
said.
is an listen,
You
since
said
it is an
water, you
essay
said
type
water.
question,
That's a difference.
see, it's a
So
long
food and
answer
water.
question. You can write
I
whatever
got
you
it
want.
correct.
See, listen, it is a long answer question. So,
Long.
whatever you want, you can write. Like storage function, you can say, and then excretion function, you can say, maintenance of osmolarity, you can say, metabolism, you can say, all these things, right? Storage, maintenance, metabolism, excretion, all processes of a cell you can connect with vacuole. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. I got it right, but these guys put it wrong again, sir.
What?
You will check.
Hey, every time you got it wrong, and then you're telling we got it wrong, and then we got it right.
Hey, sir, is this? Okay, can you say if this answer is right or not? Because plants should store more starch and glucose, they have bigger vacuoles than animal cells. So, is this right or wrong, sir?
It is correct, but
Yeah,
you
yeah.
got marks for the question.
See, listen. Any functions is correct. Storage, okay, metabolism.
So they said this is they said whatever you told now is wrong.
Osmolarity, maintenance of maintenance, you can say osmolarity, maintenance, and then excretion, any of the process, all these things. Correct. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Next,
Sir.
common features both plant and animal cell.
Sir, endoplasmic
Both
reticulum,
have
reticulum, vacuoles,
Both have nucleus,
cell
both
membrane,
have cell
Nucleus,
membrane.
mitochondria, endoplasmic.
Both
Very good. So that's easy question. Fine. Now, lysosome, peroxisome, centrosome. Function.
I didn't write that.
Sir, I wrote chromosomes, sir.
So listen, lysosome, suicidal bag. That function you can say. Okay.
Yes, sir. They are present in the cytoplasm. They destroy and digest foreign substances. They also digest while starvation of cells.
Yeah. And peroxisomes.
Sir, what?
Peroxisomes, I didn't know, sir, when I was writing the
Sir,
test.
I didn't know what peroxisomes were, so I just left it.
Okay, again, they all like a small part of lysosome only. In the sense, like lysosome only, they also involve in destruction of wastes. Okay, waste removal.
We never learned anything of peroxisomes, right, sir?
It's in the
No,
textbook.
in the diagram maybe it is given. We will check. I didn't tell about peroxisomes, glyoxisomes. No, they basically listen now. See, listen now. they are molecular aggregates. They are not membrane bound organelle, but they are molecular aggregates. Okay, they membraneless organelle. Simple, membraneless small organelle. They involve in destruction of wastes. Okay, peroxisome. And centrosome, cell division.
Centrosome, this organelle is present only in the animal cell. It helps in
Yeah,
division
yeah.
of cell.
Actually, cell division. Centrosome, cell division, you should say. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. And you have another class today?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
We have
sir.
maths.
At what time? Say at what time you have your another class? Huh?
6
Sir,
o'clock.
6 o'clock,
6
sir.
o'clock.
6 o'clock. Anyway, fine. So these two questions maybe in the next class we will discuss 10, 11, 12. Okay. Otherwise, you just go through. If you have any doubt, you can come for discussion in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
I have
Anyway.
to check up that people.
Yeah. Fine. Good.
Bye, sir.
So thank you,
Thank you,
students.
sir. Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.